Hello everyone! For today's video, you will learn how to graph a linear equation using an adapted Cartesian coordinate plane. This material is the writing slate of the blind, with the adhesive that serve as the x-axis and the y-axis. For example, in a linear equation of y is equals to x plus 4. For us to graph this equation, we need 2 points. And in this case, we use the x and y intercepts. To find the y-intercept, we let x equals 0 or replacing x with 0. Therefore, our y is equals to 4. To find the x-intercept, our x here is missing. So we need to find the x-intercept. We let y is equals to 0. So, if our y is equals to 0, our x is equals to negative 4. So our first point is 0 and 4. And our second point is negative 4 and 0. Using these 2 points, we can now plot and graph the equation y equals x plus 4 using adhesive and a piece of yarn. Are you ready to do the plotting? Okay. For the first pair of points, we have 0 and 4. So our x value is 0. This is the point of origin, 0. Our x is 0. And our y value is 4. So positive 4 is our y here. So we need to move 4 steps upward. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's here. We have to put it here. That is our first pair, or our first point. Next, we have negative 4 and 0. So our x value is negative 4. Our negative 4, from this the point of origin 0, okay, move 4 steps to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's here, because our y is 0. Using the 2 points, I can now connect and graph the equation y is equals to x plus 4 using a yarn. Okay, we're going to connect the 2 points. Okay, this is it. This is now the graph of the equation y is equals to x plus 4.